Cornell provides a lot of support to our students.
There are a lot of different resources on campus that I've used, like the quantitative reasoning studio, the writing studio. I've used both of those. They're just great places to get information.
So we have the writing studio in the library, and it's a wonderful place to go if you need to talk through your paper with someone to get started. And then you get your draft done, and then you go back for that next iteration. It's similar with the quantitative reasoning studio. So if a student's taking a math class, or could be an econ class, computer science, and that studio has been so helpful to so many of our students.
In the career development side, we have professional career counselors as well as peer career development counselors, where we'll walk students through everything from interest assessment all the way to getting your resume, getting your headshot and your LinkedIn profile, making direct connections in the community.
But it's really the relationships you build with your faculty that are so important. We're all working professionals, so we want to get you in front of people that can get you work right away. One of the things that I know we like to do is that if we are working in professional jobs while you are a student with us, we like to get you in the room while you're still students so that you can shadow, you can intern, you can meet people, so that when you graduate you have contacts ready to go.
And then we have the Office of Chaplain, of course, and the whole mental health counselors. Somebody you might want to talk to is trained to help you understand your emotions and what you're going through, and so you can be composed to not just learn, but to thrive as you stay here on campus.
And so the idea is that depending on what you need, where you want that extra support, we can point you to somebody whose job it is to provide that support.